I remember my first 3D printer. It was just plugged to the power supply, no on and off, nothing. I just built my 3D printer almost from scratch with a do-it-yourself kit. I had to wield all the cables and the kit was quite simple. I've been printing for 2 years now. So from mid-March until last month, more or less, I've been printing face shields and masks to help the healthcare system workers and improve the supplies they have to fight against the COVID. And I found a group of people that were starting to organize called COVID Makers. It was an organization with a few people trying to have a common point of communication with the government, a common point of communication with the hospitals. And it escalated really fast. In total, the group in Spain, the final numbers were around 1 million masks, and only in Madrid, more than 200,000 only masks. But it feels actually really good because you feel useful, even if you are locked down and at home. I think we succeeded to at least keep the community and get it stronger.